I've used ServicePower for 10 years in my previous role, and one of the reasons I've come into HSB is to make sure that they take ServicePower implementation and do it well and use it. So from my perspective, I'm excited to be able to get ServicePower into HSB, know the kind of difference it can make because I've seen it work in my previous roles. So it will help us to send our engineer surveyors to our customers, but we will work on, we don't have a dispatch model. You know, our engineers, because they are, you know, highly qualified engineers with quite diverse days, we'll be using ServicePower in a way perhaps that some others don't. The biggest thing that I think ServicePower will make a difference for our engineers is that they will see a diary, a timetable, their work patterns given to them in a way that makes sense. Yeah, it will. A lot of the thinking that our surveyors have to do for themselves about when something's best to do, when to travel, it takes that stress away from them. They can concentrate on being engineer surveyors. They can concentrate on the time they spend with the customer, not time planning and administration that, quite frankly, is the wrong thing for them to be doing. So our US business is already using ServicePower across the whole of the US and you know, are using it successfully. The UK is probably a little bit behind, but we are now adopting ServicePower, and whilst we'll use it in some instances slightly differently, we do expect to see the kinds of benefits that our US business has seen from using it.